Strategic management. A foundation for organizational success, strategic management is a systematic approach to planning, organizing, leading, and controlling an organization's activities to achieve its long-term goals. It involves a comprehensive analysis of the internal and external environment, formulation of strategies, implementation of plans, and evaluation of performance, making decisions about the organization's direction, and allocating resources to pursue strategic initiatives effectively. The components of strategic management include environmental analysis, assessing the external environment, including industry analysis, competitive analysis, and pest analysis, political, economic, social, and technological factors. Internal analysis, evaluating the organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT analysis. Strategy formulation, developing strategies that align with the organization's mission, vision, and goals. Strategy implementation, putting strategies into action and ensuring effective execution. Strategic control, monitoring and evaluating performance to ensure that strategies are on track and making adjustments as needed. Strategic management is crucial for organizations to achieve their objectives and remain competitive in today's dynamic business environment. It helps organizations to set a clear direction. By defining goals and objectives, organizations can create a sense of purpose and focus. Allocate resources effectively. Strategic management helps organizations allocate resources to areas that are most likely to contribute to their success. Improve decision-making. Organizations can make more informed decisions by analyzing the internal and external environment. Enhance organizational performance. Strategic management can lead to improved efficiency, profitability, and market share. Adapt to change. By being proactive and anticipating future trends, organizations can better adapt to changes in their industry and environment. In conclusion, strategic management is a vital process for organizations of all sizes. Strategic management is a guiding framework that enables organizations to navigate complexity, make informed decisions, and achieve sustainable success in a dynamic business environment. By integrating analysis, planning, and execution, strategic management empowers organizations to thrive and grow amidst uncertainty and competition.